People do not fail because of lack of potentials, but they fail because they fail to recognize their potentials. Instead of understanding our potentials, we keep on concentrating on those things which are seen as weaknesses in us by others. Positive qualities of an individual are to be nurtured to convert them as potentials or abilities or strengths of an individual. In reality, exactly opposite things happen. We get exposed to or we get associated with such people who keep on nurturing the negatives in us. And as the time passes, these things grow as weaknesses, and hence we lose our potentials or we lose our abilities because we keep on listening to them, we keep on concentrating on them, and gradually they all develop as weaknesses and we lose our potentials, and that leads to the condition called inferiority complex. Namaste friends, myself Dr. Mahesh Savaligmat. I am practicing Ayurveda dermatology and teaching Ayurveda since 13 years. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Mahesh speaking. Today we are going to discuss about how to overcome inferiority complex and be successful in life. This is very essential. Very often we fail to understand what we are and we land into something else, and that makes us to fail in life. Inferiority complex is one of the most dangerous thing that can happen with any of us. The person with inferiority complex loses self-confidence, develops fear to face the problems, treats many times these people start treating even opportunities as problems, and they try to be isolated, they try to be alone, they never mix with other people, they do not mix with the friends and all. Gradually, as this develops, they lose their potentials or they fail to understand or recognize their potentials. In Ayurveda, while explaining psychological disorders, we come across with one of the condition called Vishada. Now let us see what is Vishada. It is said, Asiddhi bhayat vividheshu karmasu sadho apravrittihi vishadaha. Asiddhi bhayat vividheshu karmasu sadho apravrittihi vishadaha. Asiddhi means failure. Asiddhi means failure. Bhayat means due to fear. Vivideshu karmasu, various activities. Sada means apravritti, that is nothing but not attempting. That person develops fear of failure, and because of the fear of failure, that person will never make any attempt for any activity. That person never take up any action. That person never take up any activity, and ultimately they fail in life. And this is one of the most commonest feature that is seen in people with inferiority complex. Why people develop inferiority complex? In the beginning I told, commonly not only weaknesses but talents are also recognized by others. And when somebody identifies some good qualities in us, and if we keep on concentrating on them, they get converted into potentials or abilities and or talents. Exactly the same way, our weaknesses are also identified by others. Very often, others decide on us that what we can do and what we cannot, even before we have done something, to its fullest. Isn't it? Most of us have come across such situations. Even we come across with such people who always keep on telling us that you are not good in something, like your language is not good, your body language is not good, your attitude is not good, your presentation skills are not good, your handwriting is not good, your physique is not good. Sometimes you are very lean, you are very tall, you are very short, you are very dark, and sometimes fairness is also, you are too fair and you appear like very ill, or you look like a patient. Like this we get so many critics. Sometimes we also develop this because of those people whom we treat as better than us or some type of role models for us, and if they fail in any of their actions, then what happens? We start thinking that when a person whom I treated as better than me have failed, means how can I succeed? So I am 100% I am also going to fail, so I will not attempt. Sometimes there will be people who always try to demoralize others by saying that when she or he was not able to accomplish, who is more talented than you, then how come you can do? And often we call them as our friends. So try to avoid such company. Try to be away from them. The best solution to overcome inferiority complex is don't listen to them. Don't listen to them. Even if they are unavoidable, you can adjust with them, listen to them, hear it, just hear and leave it. Don't concentrate on that. But naturally what happens now, when things keep on happening repeatedly, when somebody says same things repeatedly, those things we get exposed repeatedly, we start believing in them. In this regard, Chanakya has explained very nicely. He has given simile of Kevda or screw pine, what we call, in Sanskrit we call it as Ketaki. He has beautifully explained how to overcome inferiority complex. What he says about Kevda is, Vyalashraya api, Vifala api, Sakantaka api, Vakra api, Pankila bhava api, Durasada api, Gandhena bandhurasi Ketaki sarvajantor. Eko gunaha khalu nihanti samasta doshan. It's very beautiful. But it says, Vyalashraya api, the plant shelters snakes. Vifala api, its fruits are not eaten. Sakantaka api, from the part that comes out of the soil, from there till tip of each and every leaf, it has got thorns. Vakra api, it grows very ugly. You cannot see a straight, Kevda plant. It grows very ugly. Pankila bhava api, it's always seen in muddy land like कीचड़ में ही रहता है हमेशा. Durasada api, not easily accessible. You cannot easily go and pluck the flowers. But still, Gandhena bandhurasi ketaki sarvajantor. Because of one good quality, that is the aroma, the fragrance that it has got, the fragrance its flowers possess. Because of that, bandhurasi ketaki sarvajantor means it attracts every creature. It attracts each living being. So one good quality, what he says further, Eko gunaha kalu nihanti samasta doshan, means one good quality can overcome every negatives in us. As giving the example of Kevda, he says the plant has got so many negatives. Vyalashraya api, Pankila Vifala api, Sakantaka api, Vakra api, Pankila bhava api, Durasada api, means he has listed 6 negatives in this plant and 1 positive, that is the fragrance, the aroma. So it is the time, we need to understand that it is the time that we need to concentrate on the potentials that we have. We need to identify what is that one good quality. What is that one good quality with which I can overcome all the negatives in me. So we need to focus on that. I want each and every viewer to pledge today that henceforth you will not focus on your negatives. Whoever says whatever, let it be. You are going to focus on yourself and you will try to find out that one good quality which can overcome all those negatives or all those so-called negatives which are said to you by others. So work for that. It doesn't mean that all critics are bad, but we need to understand who is telling us. Like for example, your father or somebody is telling, means they may be telling the right thing. We need to understand that also, who is telling what is good in you, what is not good in you. That is left to you. Left to us. We need to understand like who is telling, whether what that person is telling, is that person worth of that. Means the person is experienced in that particular area and that person is telling that you are not good at this, then we need to believe in that and we can focus, so that we can focus on other things which we feel as potentials in ourselves. So we need to focus on the potential. We need to find out that one good quality in us so that we can overcome the inferiority complex. Now the question arises whether we need to listen to critics or not. 100% we need to listen. Otherwise Kabir Das ji would have never told that. Nindaka niyare rakhiye, angana khuti chawaya, bin pani sabun, nirmal kare subhav. What he says, Nindaka niyare rakhiye. We have to keep the people who criticize us, we have to keep them near to us. Angana kuti chhavaya means we need to keep them in our vicinity. We need to be in association of them, because bin sabun pani nirmal kare subhav. They are going to clean us without any sabun and all, without any soap and all. They are going to clean us. That means the positivity we have to take, even though they are telling negatives in us. So what Kabir Das is telling is, you have to understand them and try to overcome those negatives. How to overcome those negatives? That Chanakya said. Find out one good quality which you feel can overcome all those negatives, and by that you are going to reduce your negatives and you are going to increase your potentials, and by this we can overcome the negative complex or inferiority complex in us. So the only way, best solution that how to overcome inferiority complex is listen to critics, understand whether they are actually the real critics, then focus on what is the best quality in you. Why I am telling? Because when human efforts, when so many trials and errors can lead to the development of life-saving drugs, then why can't we spend some time on ourselves and make some trial and errors to understand our one good quality which can change our life, which can bring a new tomorrow, a new beginning, which can start a new beginning in us. So friends, my request is that spend time on understanding your potentials, concentrate on that and overcome the negatives. Thank you for watching the video. In next video, we will see how can we overcome the negatives and how can we increase our potentials even while having some negatives in us. Thank you for watching the video and take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.